What is up, you guys? So today I am doing a video that I don't really want to make, but I knew that eventually I probably would make. When I look at my YouTube channel, when I did controversial videos talking about feminism, when I talked about things that just were considered controversial, naturally there would be hateful comments from both sexes. That's obviously a given. You put yourself out there on the internet, you're going to receive hate, yes, but you put yourself out there and you put controversial videos out there, you're asking for hate to come in. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of the world that we live in. But when it comes to non-controversial videos that I've been making, which has been the past several bunch of videos, and what I pretty much decided to turn my channel into, with the exception of the here and there's of doing something else. Just because I absolutely love to share my creativity, I love to share my art, I love to just share things that are my ultimate passion, which is creating. And yes, working out, and maybe I'll do that eventually. I'll put some videos out there and I'll explain why I took some of those working out videos down. This kind of ties along into my point. But since I've been doing a lot of style videos, stuff that just is particularly my art and styling the home, things like that, the hateful comments are still coming. And they are from women. The general population that has been leaving me hate comments ever since I have changed my videos to more of my artistic escape, my creativity, has been a lot of women. And I'm not saying that every comment I get is bad. I'm saying that I want to address this because this is an epidemic. This is an epidemic that I feel very passionate about. This is something that I have dealt with throughout my life. There's quite the abundance of misogyny when it comes to women hating other women, disliking women, scrutinizing their fellow women. I feel like a lot of people want to talk about misogyny when it comes to men, how they treat women. These feminists, they want to talk about that, but they don't talk about how so many women are to other women. They body shame them, they slut shame them, they scrutinize them because they have their titties hanging out or because they're wearing a short skirt. They say things like, oh, well, you deserve to get raped, or you deserved to get treated that way because look at your outfit, whore. You're a fucking slut. Look, you're a trashy trailer trash whore. Like, things like that. And I have blocked most of those people leaving those kind of comments where they're not even saying anything about the decor or anything that I painted, anything like that. They just come straight to my video and straight, you know, dog me, trying to belittle me and call me a slut, call me a fake titty whore. And so back to the point of where I said I took down my working out videos. One reason I stopped, or actually a big reason why I stopped doing the workout videos, I actually got a lot of hate from women saying that I'm fake and that my ass is fake and that I'm not credible because I'm nothing but fake. I've mentioned this several times. The only thing that I've had done is my breasts, so that's it. So for you to accuse me that other things are fake because you're not educated with how the body looks and how it changes when it comes to athleticism versus going under the knife, and you just assume someone's all fake because they have one procedure done, that's not my fault. But I don't feel like I deserved the hate, and I just don't feel like I deserved it, and I didn't feel like it was worth me putting my information out there with building the booty and squatting and things like that that I enjoy doing in terms of working out, because I was receiving a lot of backlash from my fellow women. So here you are tearing other women down for how they dress, how they style themselves, how much cleavage they have, if they've had a boob job, if they've had a butt job, if they've had a fucking brow lift, if they've had a tummy tuck, if they've had whatever it is in the book you can come up with, or if they're wearing too short of a skirt, or you don't like their makeup. How is that not misogyny. Like, you tell me, that is straight up misogyny. You're hating on other women, putting other women down, trying to make them feel bad about themselves. How does it even affect you? Several women commenting on my home decor videos, slut shaming me. I choose how I want to style myself. I like the escort, stripper, whorehouse chick look, and if that bothers you, if you're so petty like that bothers you and makes you uncomfortable, then find someone else to watch. Like, why are you just deciding to spread the hate and comment all kinds of stupid shit and just waste your time? I feel like that's kind of invasive that I'm even expected to explain why I choose to style myself and why I choose to have my cleavage out. That just seems like a bit of an invasive question. Like, why is that your business? This is not a tutorial channel. I probably won't ever do tutorials. Tutorials are not my love. My love is just to get my art out there. It's to get my ideas, my creativity, my passion out there, and hopefully it inspires other people. I do have a pretty bold sense of style, and I feel pretty confident with it. One thing, if you don't like my style, that's perfectly fine. That's on you. This video doesn't say in the title, tutorial on how to do this. If it did, that'd be one thing, but I'm not claiming that my videos are tutorials. That's not what I do. I'm not some step-by-step DIY tutorial channel. I just like to share what I like to do.